Hello friends, welcome to yet another episode of Unboxing on Technique, and this is Nirmal here, and we'll be unboxing the latest device from Nokia in the mid-range segment. This is a Nokia 7 Plus with the Android One platform. So this device was announced in India a couple of weeks back, and this will go on sale on April 30th. And this device is priced 25,999. That's the pricing of the Nokia 7 Plus with really good hardware. And in this video, we'll do the unboxing. So this is the typical Nokia box pack. So you can see the Nokia 7 Plus mentioned here. Android One platform. So this comes with the latest version of Android. That's the Oreo right now. And at the back of the box, you can see it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset. This is one of the really powerful mid-range chipsets. It has 6-inch Full HD Plus resolution, 18:9 aspect ratio display, IPS LCD panel, and on the camera front we have the Zeiss optics, and we have a 12 megapixel wide-angle camera with f/1.75 aperture and a 13 megapixel secondary camera, and we have 16 megapixel front-facing selfie camera as well. So this is the device. So it comes with the great build quality aluminum 7000 series with a copper finishing towards the edges, and this is a really good power pack device in terms of specifications. And let's see the device after unboxing the device. So it also comes with fast charging support, and let's see what all comes inside the box. So let's get started with the unboxing. So opening up the box. So you can see the Nokia 7 Plus on the top. So this is the black and black variant with the copper finish on the sides. So that's the device. So let's just keep this aside for a minute and let's see what all comes inside the box. You can see the SIM ejector pin. Then you get a case included with this box. So that's something really good. So it's a good quality case included with the box pack. So this is the box, the case included with the box pack. And then we have this guide, the quick start guide and warranty information, getting started guide, and preloaded mobile care support app is included. Then in this box we'll have this charger. So there you go. So that's the USB Type-C port. So this device comes with USB Type-C, and this is the cable, and we also have this standard charger. So let's see the voltage rating. It's a slightly bigger charger included. So the voltage rating of this charger is 5 volt 2 ampere, 2.5 ampere, and 9 volt 2 ampere, and 12 volt 1.5 ampere. So that's the fast charging on the Nokia 7 Plus. So now let's see the device. So that's the Nokia 7 Plus with a 6-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. It's an IPS LCD panel, and the display quality actually looks really good. And you can see the viewing angles are also really good. And this has Corning Gorilla Glass support as well. Now on the design aspect, you can see that the side has a copper finish. We have this power key and volume keys on the right side, and on the top panel we have the 3.5mm audio jack included, and on the rear panel we have this dual camera setup, dual tone, dual LED flash, the fingerprint scanner, the Nokia branding, and on the left side we have this SIM tray. This is a dual SIM card slot. So let's just take the slot out and see the slot. So there you go. You can see that this is the hybrid slot. You can use either one SIM card and an SD card, or two SIM cards. So that's the SD card slot. And at the bottom panel you can see this comes with a USB Type-C port, the speaker unit, and the microphone. So that's in the design aspect. So overall this looks really good. It is finished with a really high quality aluminum, and the copper finishing adds to the beauty of this device. It's a really matte finish build. And this device comes with the stock Android under the Android One platform. So that's one of the highlights of this device. So this will be getting the latest version of Android whenever Google releases it. So you can see the stock Android. It's this simple and pretty much a basic UI you get on any stock Android smartphone. There's absolutely no customizations, and if you go to settings panel you can see the stock UI. So this device has Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. So that's the software aspect. Now let's have a look at the camera. So the camera is one of the important aspects of this device. So you can see this comes with a pretty good camera interface as well. So we have this single mode, dual mode, picture in picture mode. So these are the options. Then if you go to settings, you can see live bokeh mode, then beautify pro mode, and settings. You can also see additional options included. And if you go to the video, so if you just swipe, you get to the video, and let's have a look at the video settings as well. So resolution, rear camera video is at 4K Ultra HD supported. That's really good. And front facing camera is at 1080p. That's Full HD support. So that's the camera aspect. So let's just quickly have a look at the camera UI, and let's just take a couple of snaps. So it's a really fast UI. You can see it performs pretty well. and let's see the sample we have taken right now. So you can see that good details in the camera and looks pretty good. So that's the camera on the Nokia 7 Plus. So here are some of the samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So we will be coming up with a detailed camera review pretty soon. So overall the Nokia 7 Plus definitely is a promising device in terms of the camera performance. So this is a sub or rather a 25K or 26K device, so camera should be one of the highlights of this device. Now the phone also comes with 3800 mAh battery, and it also supports fast charging out of the box, so that's an additional feature. And this comes with quite good capacity battery. 3800 capacity should be quite good enough for more than a day of battery life. And also this comes with stock Android, so the battery performance should be good. We will be testing out the battery performance once we use the device for almost like a week or so. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Nokia 7 Plus. So this device is priced 25,999 and will be available starting April 30th. And this device is really good device in terms of the specifications in the mid-range segment. So we'll be coming up with a detailed review and other gaming aspects of this device. So stay tuned for all those videos. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.